And the freight trains still roll with their cannonball soul. Chicago to the stockyards of Fort Worth, all the way out to Frisco in that end-of-line sadness. It's October in the railroaders. October in the railroaders. Jack Kerouac's getting high on the 5th of Cheap Tokai, Skid Row Alley, Howard and 3rd. His shadows on the shades near the South Pacific Station. October in the railroaders. Old bums with tattoos from Singapore, boxcar iron wheels giving birth. Old flophouse afternoons of old warped wood America. October in the railroader. And the freight trains still roll with their cannonball soul. Chicago to the stockyards of Fort Worth, all the way out to Frisco and that end-of-line sadness. It's October in the railroader. October in the railroader. Well, Jack Bible on the table next to the peanut and butter jar. Tattered notebook with those beat poetic words. Raisin bread and oatmeal and coffee on a hot plate. October in the railroader. Jack hits the morning alley with his brakeman's lantern. Stares at a hooker in a polka-dotted dress. 3 eggs for a dime and that lumberjack stew. October in the railroader. October in the railroaders. What's this thing called fame really worth? Light a candle for his soul in some old Mexicali church. October in the railroader. Jack bottoms out in Big Sur up in Ferlinghetti's cabin. Tries to hitchhike but the drivers swerve and curse. His wife's taking in sewing to pay his bills and his bar tabs. It's October in the railroader. Jack's gone in October, $62 in the bank, buried near the place of his birth. Getting beat up outside bars and passing out in cars. He left his blood soaked in the railroader. October in the railroader. What's this thing called fame really worth? Light a candle for his soul in some old Mexicali church. It's October in the railroader. And the freight trains still roll with their cannonball soul. Chicago to the stockyards of Fort Worth, all the way out to Frisco and that end-of-land sadness. It's October in the railroader. Oh, October in the railroader. On the road, Dama bums tristessa. Visions of Cody, Mexican City blues, Big Sur. Booker dreams, Dr. Sachs, lonesome traveler, some of the dollars. October in the railroader. Desolation angels, visions of Gerard. Town and city subterraneans, Big Sur. Visions of Cody, hippos boiled in their tanks. October in the railroader. October in the railroader. What's this thing called fame really worth? Light a candle for his soul in some Mexicali church. It's October in the railroad. October in the railroad.